Welcome to GQueues, the leading Google integrated task manager for people and teams. Today, we'll teach you how to use the GQueues Chrome extension. Add ideas and web content to GQueues directly through Google Chrome. The first thing you'll need to do is install the extension from the Chrome Web Store. You can do that by going to chrome.google.com and typing in GQueues Chrome extension in the search box. Then click the blue plus button and it'll be installed to your browser. When it prompts you to add GQueues, simply press Add. GQueues Chrome extension has been added to Chrome. The next thing you'll need to do to start using the Chrome extension is click the blue GQueues icon on your browser and connect your GQueues account. This will only happen the first time that you use the extension. Nadia@gqueues.com, the email that I use for my GQueues account, is now linked. There are two main benefits to using the GQueues Chrome extension. One of them is for managing ideas that come to you on the fly. Let's say that you're in a Skype call with a client and you suddenly remember, I have to book a babysitter for tomorrow night. Subtly click the GQueues Chrome extension button and create a task. Book a babysitter. I'm going to add this to my home tag. Anything that I need to do for my home life will be organized together. And I'm also going to assign it to myself, which means I'll receive an email to Nadia@gqueues.com. To go one step further, I'm going to give myself a due date. So let's say by 10 a.m. I will have found a babysitter. You can choose email, SMS, or pop-up reminders. It'll take me about 45 minutes to come up with a good list of names. If you know that you always look in your to-do queue for things that you got to do around the house, choose that queue, and that's where the task will be housed. So now I can create my task. Either press the blue button or click inside the description box and press enter. Fabulous, the task is created. Another really helpful aspect is that you can send web content and assign it to your team. So for example, let's say that you came across a really amazing article. You know your team needs to focus on number 5. So let's say you got a lot of people who don't get really any sleep on your team. You know it'll be helpful for them to have it read by your noon meeting the next day. So all you have to do is click the GQueues icon in the top right-hand corner, click the From Web Page option. It'll copy the title of the page into the description box and the link to the page in the notes box. Now you can add, please read number 5 only. That way, your team knows exactly what to focus on, and they're just as prepared as you are to discuss this at your meeting tomorrow. I'm going to assign it to my creative team as well. I got Alice, Govin, Pete, and I'll also assign it to myself just to make sure I have it. I'll give these guys a due date. Since it's a really short article, I'm just going to make it for 11 o'clock tomorrow morning, and I'll give them a reminder by email, about 15 minutes. I'm going to put it in active tasks for my creatives. All the people that you assign this task to have access to the article. Also, if your active tasks is a shared queue, anybody or any employee in that queue can also read the article. So lastly, I want to cover how to customize your GQueues Chrome extension. If you right-click on the icon over here and drag your cursor over to Options, you have 3 different options. First, if you ever need to disconnect your GQueues account from the Chrome extension, you can. Just press disconnect. Also, every website you go to that you want to create a task out of, if you want to copy the title and the URL by default, just check this box and it'll automatically be copied right into your description and notes respectively. Also, if you want to set a default queue for new tasks, so let's say your to-do queue is one that you always check, you can do that and then press save. To get the GQueues Chrome extension, visit the bit.ly link below. Thanks so much for watching this video, and as always, you can find us at gqueues.com.